Right, today we're unlocking a bit of a secret grammar superpower. We're going to look at how to show that an action is continuous, ongoing. Now, we've got a pretty tricky question to solve in just a couple of minutes here, so let's jump right in and master those progressive tenses to crack the code.
Okay, but before we can actually build these sentences and solve our main challenge, let's just quickly remind ourselves what exactly is a verb. Well, simply put, a verb is a being, a doing, or having word. Honestly, it's basically the engine of your whole sentence, because it carries the tense, which tells us exactly when an action takes place. But here's the real question. How do we show that an action isn't just like a quick flash, but is actually happening over a period of time?
Well, here is your ultimate guide to creating that ongoing action. To make a progressive tense, you really just need this simple two-part formula. Okay, first up, you've got an auxiliary verb. Now that's just a fancy way of saying a helping verb that's based on the word to be. So words like is, was, or will be. Then for the second part, you take your main verb and you just slap an ing suffix right onto the end of it. So helping verb plus an ing main verb. That is your absolutely unbreakable rule. So let's see how this actually builds across our timeline. Think about it. If the ongoing action already happened in the past, we just use a past helping verb, like Andeep was eating. Now, if it's happening right now, we just shift that over to the present. Andeep is hoping. And what if it's going to happen later? You guessed it, use a future helping verb. Jacob will be waiting. Did you catch that, though? Notice how that ing's tail stays exactly the same every single time. It doesn't change.
All right, it is time to put those grammar detective skills to the test with our main challenge for today. So, taking a look, which of these sentences is in the progressive future tense? Let's break this down and solve the problem together.
So the absolutely crucial step here is to just check the auxiliary verb in each of our options. Let's look at the first sentence. It says, Aisha's cousin was driving. Now, was definitely means the past, right? So we can just go ahead and eliminate that one. The second option says, Aisha's cousin is coming. Well, is points right to the present, so we can confidently cross that one out too. Now listen closely to that final option. Aisha's cousin will be picking us up.
Exactly. The correct answer is Aisha's cousin will be picking us up from the park. Look at that. We've got our future helping verb, will be, and it's paired absolutely perfectly with our ing main verb, picking. Really brilliant work today. So, here's a little challenge for you. As you're reading your favorite books today, what secret helping verbs and ing suffixes will you be uncovering in the wild? Keep an eye out for them.